Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the thermal paste as well as cleaning the fan of your PC. Before we start, a few things that you will need is 99% isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and then microfiber cloth, thermal paste, and spatula for spreading out the thermal paste, and also air duster. So the thermal paste that I'll be showing you is on the CPU part, whereas GPU is actually quite similar. So first, you need to unscrew or unclip your CPU fan. So depending on the model, you might get screws or just like a latch like my model here. So you need to unlatch everything or unscrew everything, and then you need to unplug as well the fan. So usually the fan plug is very simple. You just need to pull it off. You need to do some wiggle if it's quite hard. We can now wiggle the CPU fan a little bit to take it off. Now it's exposing the CPU directly. So you can see here the thermal paste is already very old and it's dried already. So what you need to do here is we need to do the cleaning for both the thermal paste and the CPU heatsink as well as the fan. So for the heatsink, I would recommend you to use the air duster like this one. And you can also see if there's any visible dust, you need to take it off as well with microfiber cloth. And then for cleaning the CPU fan and heatsink, you need to use 99% isopropyl alcohol. So usually people will apply it on a microfiber cloth first and then only rub it on the CPU fan and heatsink. But in this case, because we take out the CPU fan and heatsink, we can actually spray it on the heatsink and fan directly, but just do it very gently and make sure you have sufficient amount of time to let the alcohol dry before plugging it back to the CPU. And second thing, you need to clean the leftover thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol and some microfiber cloth or a very soft tissue. So rub it until it's shiny and you see no leftovers. So we can see here my microfiber cloth looks gray already. And then the second thing, you need to clean also the thermal paste on the CPU side. For this, I would highly recommend you to apply the alcohol on the microfiber cloth first and then only rub it on the CPU until it looks shiny and you can see like the Intel writing in there or AMD. And you can also clean some leftover paste on the sides. Next is to apply the thermal paste. Because the CPU on the PC is quite big, you can start from the center region and then later on we need to spread it out with a spatula like this one. So it's quite sticky actually. Just you need to spend some time to let it spread out nicely. Okay, I will speed up this part a little bit. So you need to apply more thermal paste as needed and spread it out with spatula as needed. Alright, now it doesn't have to be perfect, just you need to make sure there's no holes in there. Why I said it doesn't have to be perfect? Because when you plug in the CPU fan, it will push the thermal paste part and then it will try to spread out more evenly as you press down. And then when it's done, try not to take out the fan once you put it on to make sure that you don't disrupt the spread of the thermal paste anymore. And then you need to screw it back or latch it back to the CPU. Then make sure there's no wiggle. Do your final checking there so that the thermal paste directly touches the CPU heatsink. Plug the CPU fan back and then close the casing. And then let's turn it on, and that's all I have for you. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.